Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Archarima. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for joining us. We are going to talk about the role of Kikuyu traditional beer in the Kikuyu culture. And Kikuyu traditional beer is known as Muratina. Muratina. That is the name we give Kikuyu traditional beer in the Kikuyu culture. So, the other name is Njohi, which basically means beer. But beer is the general name. So, to be specific, when you are talking about the Kikuyu traditional beer, you better use the name Muratina. Now, we are going to look at the role of Muratina in the Kikuyu culture. And the main role of Muratina was celebration. It was used to celebrate. And with that, it was used in several occasions to celebrate those occasions. It was a basic symbol in every occasion or in most occasions. One of those occasions was when a baby was born, and that was known as Njohi ya mwana. Njohi meaning beer. Mwana is the baby. So Njohi ya mwana was that beer that was celebrated when a baby was born. The other role was used in several, like I've said, it was used in several occasions. So the other occasion was dowry payment, which is called rorasho, and it was said as Njohi ya rorasho, meaning this Muratina was used when people were celebrating the dowry payment. The other role of Muratina, or the other occasion where Muratina was used, was Njohi ya ohiki. Njohi meaning the beer, yohiki for the wedding. So it was used to celebrate the wedding, where the people celebrated, or the community celebrated the newlywed. The other occasion where Muratina was used was during circumcision. This was known as Njohi ya irua. Irua is circumcision. So when the young boys moved to become young men, that is when this irua or Njohi ya irua was celebrated. It was basically used to celebrate the young boys moving from being boys to being young men. Njohi ya irua. The other occasion is Njohi ya kuhoya bura. This was basically an occasion when the community needed rain. So what happened? The elders prayed to God and they offered that beer, or the traditional Kikuyu beer Muratina, for God to bless them with rain. And this was basically after a very long period of drought or dry season, and the community needed rain. The last occasion we are going to look at is Njohi. It's when the community was when asking for blessings. That is called Njohi ya kuhoya irathimo. For example, when asking for blessings from parents. So basically this Muratina was used when you're asking for blessings from parents, and also asking for blessings from the village elders or the elderly. So which was basically called Njohi ya Adhuri, meaning the village elders, or the men, those respected men in the village or the community. And that's where the Muratina came into place, while asking for blessings from the Adhuri. Yeah, so this brings me to the end of this video tonight. I hope you are able to enjoy. I hope you are able to learn. And if you still have other suggestions, or you know more about Muratina or Kikuyu traditional beer and how it was used, or where, in which occasions, feel free to comment down the section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and until we meet again next time,